Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language, dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 16. The Flowers. On the 23rd of the month Jafari on Thursday at Hartala, on the far side of Panchaguda, while intending to go to war with the irreligious Nazarenes, I had a dream. It seemed to me as if I was sitting in the antechamber, and people were saying that snow and a cold wave were coming like solidified clouds, and people will die of the cold wave. I said God would show mercy. When the cold springing cloud appeared, I also went into the inner chamber. Inside the chamber there was a snake. I killed it. On coming outside, I saw a tiger running away. I got hold of a gun and after a little chase, I shot the tiger dead. Then I noticed the same clouds approaching, and I watched them standing. It seemed to be raining, and along with the rain seemed to fall double jasmine flowers of big size, and many other smaller wild flower buds. And I said, Praise be to God who has favored us with such beautiful flowers, and continues to favor us with them. I was in this state of happiness when I woke up and morning dawned. May God grant his favors. End of Dream 16.